Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about the natural beard look versus the straighten with a heated beard brush or a comb and a hair dryer. This is what my beard looks like naturally. There is some products in there, but I always have some products in my beard to help hydrate it and just keep the flyaways under control and everything like that. I have a very curly beard, so I just want to show you guys. I'll come up real close here. This is what my beard looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the side when it's not straightened, and then the other side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash out all the beard products that are in my beard. I use the Waterfall by the Bearded Pup, which is just the product that I've been using recently that I really like, and this is what I've been using to wash my beard. So I'm going to wash everything out, and then I'm going to straighten my beard. I've been using the Kushal Bar beard straightener for that. I'll put some links in the description below so you can check out where you can purchase those if you're interested in buying those products. I do have a video on how to straighten your beard with the Kushal Bar. I'll put that in a card up here. I'm not going to do that today because that's not the point of this video. So I'm going to quickly straighten my beard, show you guys what that looks like, and then I want to hear from you. Let me know, do you like my beard better in that natural look? Does it look better when it's straightened? How do you like it on yourself, and how do you like it seen on others? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm going to pause this video now and we'll be right back. Hello and welcome back. So I just finished straightening my beard. Now you can see that especially looking at it head on, the sides aren't as kind of puffed out as they were before I straightened the beard, and that's the biggest difference that I notice. And then it just seems like kind of the jaw area here is more squared out than kind of puffed out. So that's what it looks like from the front compared to the unstraightened version of the beard. And then this is what it looks like on the side. And this is what it looks like from the other side. What I'm going to do so you can really tell the difference here is I'm going to split the screen and show you on one side the beard before it was straightened, and on the other side the beard after it was straightened. Here, this is what my beard looks like from the front. Looks like from the side when it's not straightened, and the other side. And yeah, just want to know your guys' thoughts. What do you think looks better? I tend to go with a straightened look if I'm going to go on a date with my girlfriend, or if I'm going to have an important business meeting that day. Other than that, I usually do just rock the natural beard. I'm kind of torn between the two. I do like the natural look. Sometimes I really like the straightened look, but the straightened look does, of course, take some extra effort. So it's just, I think, down to what your preference is and how much effort and time you want to put into your beard. For me, this is something that I usually do once a week, or once every couple of weeks I'll straighten my beard. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. If you like these kinds of videos, you like beard care tips, product reviews, giveaways, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Like this video if you liked it, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.